you're having a great day so far. So back with a makeup tutorial as well as a review of products. Today I'm going to talk about Swiss Beauty products. So in my last video guys, which I'm going to link it over here, I have talked about the Swiss Beauty products which I got from Cuffs and Lashes, and I am just dying to try them because these just really impressed me from the time when I just received it. I am just shocked after seeing everything. So I'm going to try it, and I have tried today and came up with this makeup look which I'm wearing today. This is basically a glittery black smoky eyes paired with this lip shade which is also from Swiss Beauty. So in this video guys, I'm gonna talk about the products which I got from Swiss Beauty, and also gonna show you the tutorial of this eye look which I'm wearing, and I hope you will like this video. So there are around 5 products which I'm gonna talk about. At first I'm going to show you the tutorial of the look which I'm wearing, then I'm going to show you the swatches and application and everything, and at the last I'm going to provide my final thoughts about the stuffs which I got from Swiss Beauty. So I hope you will like this video guys, but before going to the actual video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press on the little bell next to the red subscribe button so that you may get updates about my videos whenever I upload them. So if you want to know how I created this eye look using Swiss Beauty products, and if you want to know more about how the products worked on me, then please continue watching. So guys, I got this 5 products from Swiss Beauty from Cuffs and Lashes. So these Swiss Beauty products which I'm going to talk about today are all available on Cuffs and Lashes, and you can even buy it from Flipkart, Amazon, and I think from local store as well, but I got mine from Cuffs and Lashes. They have got really good discounts on Swiss Beauty products. Most of the time you can just check their website. I'm going to link it in the description box. So let me just talk about a little bit about the eyeshadow palette. So coming to the first palette from Swiss Beauty which I have used today, this is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in number 04, and the moment I saw it, I just made my mind to get this one because it exactly looks like the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and the shades are also very much similar. So this is a very good warm tone palette in which you get shades of brown, peach, light orange, gold, beige as well. So it has got very pretty light brown shade, a peach shade, a light burgundy shade, a deep brown shade. It comes with this golden at the center which you can put all over your lid. It also comes with this matte beige shade which you can easily use for just setting your base for your eyelids, and also you can highlight your brow bone with this shade as well. So it's a complete warm tone palette. And the second palette which I got is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in number 05, which is the exact dupe of the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. So it has got more like dramatic dark shades with which you can create actually smoky eye looks, more towards a look which you wear during nighttime, during parties, during festivals, but it also contains a lot of neutral shades which you can use on a regular basis as well. So this palette comes with this light sort of beige shade over here. It comes with this black which is really needed because I just want a black in each of my eyeshadow palettes. It comes with this 3 shimmery bronzy shades, a very nice pretty duochrome brown shade at the center, and 2 matte browns which are really pretty. So both of these palettes worked really well on my eyelids. I'm going to provide my final thoughts after you just see the application guys. So these are the 2 eyeshadow palettes which I got, and I am super impressed when I first received it because of their packaging. The packaging looks really good guys. These are not cheap at all. When you be holding this in your hands, you will be able to find out that these are of really good quality. The packaging is not at all flimsy. It shuts so well. You can easily travel with it. It's so compact and I really like it. For 199 rupees, I think you are getting really good palette. So outer box is also good guys. It comes in this outer box as well, which is also of a very good quality. I don't know how could they provide such good packaging in such an affordable range. I'm really super happy after receiving this. So the next thing which I got from Swiss Beauty, which I have used today as a lid shade for my lid, is this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty, and this eyeshadow is a dupe of the Stila Magnificent Glitter Eyes which I have mentioned in my last video as well. So it's in the shade 06 Molten Midnight, a very pretty gunmetal shade having flecks of glitters in it, and you can just use this sort of glitters. This also retails for rupees 199. so it's a very affordable. I do invest a lot on glitters, but in an affordable range, I think this is the best one to try for. Another thing which I'm gonna try in this video are these two, and the first one is the Swiss Beauty Intense Gel Kajal in the shade black, and this is how the kajal looks like. You can see it's a very soft, very creamy to work with. But this one retails for rupees 299. So compared to the other products, this one is on the expensive side. But I think it's a gel kajal and it's a made in Germany. So for this reason, maybe this has got a little bit higher price. So this is a kajal I got. And another thing which I'm gonna try is this one. This is the Swiss Beauty Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade N16, which is a mauve pink, a very pretty mauve shade. This is a shade which I'm wearing today. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a very pretty mauvish pink shade, suitable for each and every Indian skin tones, and I think if you just use this, you're gonna love them. So this one retails for rupees 199 each as well, and I'm gonna show you how it applied on me very soon. Now you can move on to the swatches of these two eyeshadow palettes, and you will be making your mind whether these are pigmented or not. And after that, you are going to see the application and the tutorial of this eye look which I have created using all these products. Then I'm going to provide my final thoughts about all these stuffs from Swiss Beauty. Tutorial and you liked how the look turned out. So I am super impressed how these colors blend on my eyes. I am really happy with both of these eyeshadow palettes, guys. These just blended so well. I have used this rusty brown shade from the palette number 04 and it blended so well. I didn't find any sort of patchiness with this shade. I haven't used any other shades from this palette. If you want me to do a separate video or specifically on this palette, just leave a comment down below. I'm gonna surely do it for you. But I have used most of the shades from this palette, that is in number 05, which is having more like a dramatic black smoky shade. So all the colors worked really well except one single shade over here. So this silvery shade, which I have used as a base on my eyelid on top of my concealer, I have found really streaky issues with it. It doesn't apply that well. I have to apply it over and over again to get the best pigmentation, and it has got more like, I don't know, maybe it is swatching quite good, but when you're just using it on a brush, it's not applying that well. I had to put it over and over again on my lids to get the best pigmentation. It has got a lot of fallouts as well. Even if I just wet my brush, this is not giving me the best pigmentation. Only with this shade, guys. Other than that, every shades work really well on my eyes, and I am super impressed because in 199 rupees, if one shade even doesn't work for you, it's not the matter, because already you're getting such pretty shades in a single palette which you can use. And even the shades more like this, a brown tone shade, this a beige over here, you're getting a lot of shimmery shades in this palette, so you can create a lot of eye looks with this as well. I didn't find any sort of fallouts, a little bit of fallouts, which is I think normal in most eyeshadow palettes. The pigmentation of these palettes, both of these palettes are equally good, guys. These are really pigmented. One single swipe of this will give you such a great pigmentation. From the swatches, you have seen that these are really pigmented. I am quite happy with it, and I am really recommending this too. If you want to get one single palette, then try the 04 one. It's such a pretty palette which you can wear on a regular basis. You can create dramatic looks with this as well. Just put a very light transition color on your crease, the deep brown shade in the outer corners, and put that golden shade all over your lid, and you'll be creating a very nice smoky eye look with this as well. Now coming to the kajal, which I have swatched, and you have seen that this kajal has got a really great pigmentation. It's a very smooth to apply. With this kajal, guys, I haven't found any sort of smudging issues, and it is so soft to touch. It just glides like butter. So this is a very good kajal to try for. Now I can understand, guys, that why this one is priced at rupees 299, because it has got a really good texture. If you want to try a very good kajal, I think within 300 rupees you can try this one. It's highly recommended. And another thing which I just loved the most, even I just love all these products, guys, I can't choose the most among them. This liquid eyeshadow in the shade 06 Molten Midnight from Swiss Beauty. So you have seen that this has got the best glitters ever. It worked so well on my lids. It just lifted the look to such an extent that it just turned everything so dramatic. Such a pretty glittery shade, guys. It doesn't have any sort of fallouts. Look at this shade. It is so pretty, guys. I'm gonna try some more shades from this range as well. Super happy with it, guys. Super impressed with this liquid eyeshadow as well. Now coming to the last product which I have tried today, and you have seen it's such a pretty lip cream. Yes, this is the Swiss Beauty Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Mauve Pink. The consistency is so good. It's so highly pigmented. Such a pretty shade. It's more like a deep mauve shade, having a warm undertone, having little bit of brown undertone along with pink undertone, which will not at all wash you out. It looks so pretty. I don't have that much pigmented lips, so it's appearing a little bit dark on my lips, but if you have a little bit pigmented lips, it will turn to be a really pretty nude shade. Such a pretty shade, guys. Seeing on Cuffs and Lashes website, I ordered it thinking of this as a nude shade, but when I received it and when I applied it, it just turned out to be such a pretty deep pink on my lips, more like a mauvish pink, which I really love. The consistency is equally good. The doe foot applicator it comes with, it works really well on your lips. You will be not facing any sort of issues in just distributing the product. Packaging is so pretty, guys. It exactly looks like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I can't find any sort of difference in between them. Even this just appears to be better than the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream because the formula is so soft, guys. It has got more like a velvety formula, but it's completely matte on your lips, but the formula is so soft. It actually feels like a soft lip cream on your lips, so it will not dry out your lips. Highly recommended, guys. I'm super impressed, and thank you all of you guys for suggesting me to try Swiss Beauty products, because these really work so well. I have invested so much money on high-end products, on products which are of really good quality, and they have got a really high pricing as well. I have tried most of the products, but such a nice Indian brand produces such good products. I really like this. So here comes the end of the video, guys. These are my final thoughts about all the Swiss Beauty products which I got. I'm gonna try some base products soon. Today's base makeup is done. Usually with the products which I generally use for doing my base makeup. This is my point of view about all these products. Everything is bought by me. This is not at all a sponsored video. So I hope you really like this video, and if you did, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want me to try more such affordable brands like Swiss Beauty, then Blue Heaven or anything like that, then please just leave a comment down below. I'm gonna try it soon. And press on the notification bell next to the red subscribe button so that you may get updates whenever I upload a video. So your subscription is really needed, guys. Just help me grow. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Be happy, stay healthy. Bye.